Offices are quieter now. Machines answer calls, write code suggestions, and grade contract clauses while chairs sit empty. The change is slow and polite. It comes as copilots folded into tools that staff already use. They boost speed and cut small tasks, and over months they shrink teams. This video will take you through 10 corporate jobs already being compressed by those copilots. We'll show what each AI does, how the workflow changes, and the sharp edge where errors and incentives hurt real people. Expect concrete examples. Call center bots, coding copilots, document reviewers, scheduling tools, ticket automation, content engines, warehouse planners, finance copilots, legal reviewers, and the final moment companies cut roles. The tone is dark for a reason. These are not hypothetical risks. They are happening now, and some workers are waking up to empty desks. At number 10, call center AI. Picture rows of headsets with no voices, just a script and a light. A copilot routes simple calls, reads policy, and offers fixes without pause around the clock. Teams no longer need dozens of first-line agents to handle common questions. Entry-level tasks are rerouted into automation and dashboards. Problems escalate when the bot misreads tone or skips complex steps, leaving upset customers and displaced agents. Managers measure handle time and reward reduced headcount over training. The human cost is real. Recent grads can't find first jobs. The risk feels contained, but it is not. Empty headsets. At number 9, coding copilots. Lines of code auto complete on a developer's screen as the copilot suggests whole functions, patches, and config changes. Junior engineers lose routine bug fixes and boilerplate tasks. Those daily exercises vanish from their day. That speeds delivery, but also erodes the job training ladder, since fewer hands-on tickets exist for new hires. When the tool hallucinates a fix or recommends insecure patterns, flawed code can slip into production and trigger outages or breaches. After a failure, teams point at the bot or the junior, not the workflow designers. Internships and entry postings are cut and talent pipelines dry up. The ladder is breaking. At number 8, document review. A junior analyst squints at a screen while an engine flags clauses and assigns risk scores. The copilot ingests piles of contracts and surfaces key passages in seconds, so the job becomes verifying highlights and stamping reports instead of reading pages. That saves hours and cuts billable review time, but it also strips away most entry-level review work. Subtle negotiated language or context can be missed, turning an apparently safe deal into a costly oversight. Managers trust the score and skip full reads. The immediate human effect: fewer billable hours, fewer junior hires, and a thinner training ladder. Someone pays. At number 7, scheduling admins. A parent misses a school recital because a co-pilot reprioritized a meeting. Whole assistant teams are cut as AI optimizes calendars and travel. The co-pilot rebooks, prioritizes, and reallocates people and rooms across dozens of calendars in minutes, reducing overlaps and idle time. But authority moves from assistance and judgment calls into code and heuristics. When priorities are misread, a key stakeholder is double booked or a shift goes unfilled. The job that used to mediate conflicts is replaced by logs, alerts, and terse notifications. Staff see fewer support roles and sticky notes explaining who got bumped. Work gets colder. At number 6, ticket automation. Requests are tagged, routed, and closed without a human touching them. Managers watch queues shrink and call it efficiency. The workflow flips from triage to exception handling, so companies hire fewer junior sorters. Failures creep in quietly. An edge case misclassified, a complex complaint closed, an SLA missed. Dashboards look healthy while issues pile up out of sight. When problems surface, teams find they no longer have the staff or context to fix them. New grads lose entry jobs and survivors inherit the hardest cases. The system hides work and erodes oversight. Control is lost. At number 5, content generation. An editor watches a Copilot draft dozens of social posts and product descriptions in minutes. The tool rewrites briefs, matches tone and batches A/B variants without fatigue. That shifts teams from crafting to curating, and many routine writing gigs evaporate. Errors come as tone drift, factual slips, or repeated claims that damage trust. Marketing metrics reward volume and engagement, not nuance, so bad copy can scale quickly. Junior writers see fewer assignments and freelancers find demand drying up. The work becomes supervisory review more than creation. Creative jobs shrink a notch. That loss hits paychecks and careers. At number 4, warehouse planning. Forklifts move in patterns mapped by code, and a glowing map shows fewer human dots. The Copilot sequences inventory, assigns pick paths and schedules shifts to squeeze hours out of space. Coordination teams move from directing traffic to auditing plan outputs. Efficiency gains cut overtime and trim middle roles that once coordinated shipments. When demand spikes or data is stale, routes break and orders miss windows. A shift coordinator who used to call drivers is out of a job. The visible harm is missed deliveries and sudden staffing cuts. The map hides people. Empty docks. At number 3, finance copilots. Reports update automatically as the copilot pulls ledgers, market feeds and management data, then spins forecasts in seconds. Analyst spreadsheets shrink to verification tasks and routine reconciliations disappear. The job shifts from number crunching to exception review, compressing junior analyst roles and internships. When models run on biased data or flawed assumptions, investment choices and budgets suffer. One bad forecast can trigger freezes or layoffs. Decision makers scan tidy dashboards and assume correctness. Institutions grow dependent on those outputs and lose institutional memory. Recent grads can't get entry roles. Career ladders stop forming. Teams that used to mentor juniors are thinner. And promotions slow. Hiring stops. At number 2, legal review. A paralegal leans back as a copilot flags precedents, highlights clauses, and summarizes filings in seconds. These tools cut review time by spotting routine risks and drafting cover notes. Firms shift junior paralegal hours into oversight and deal scoping, and they hire far fewer people to do the heavy reading. Mistakes are quiet. A misread clause, a missed jurisdictional nuance, an incomplete citation that turns into a lost motion or a longer case. Clients may pay higher fees. For new grads, the pain is clear. Fewer billable hours and fewer entry roles. Authority drifts into models. Power moves into code. At number 1, corporate reckoning. Decisions that once lived in meetings and memo chains are now encoded in copilots and policy rules, and companies wake to far fewer roles across departments. Workflows are redesigned, multiple tasks collapse into automated flows. Headcount forecasts are rewritten, and hiring freezes follow. The change is organizational, not just functional. Knowledge and processes live in models and config, not in people. A single policy bug or biased rule can propagate silently, reshaping hiring, benefits, and access before anyone notices. Audits struggle to reconstruct why a role vanished. Logs point to code, not conversations. The human cost is immediate. Mass reassignment, sudden layoffs, and an HR clerk opening payroll to find dozens of names gone overnight. Governance without visibility, no undo. The key point is simple. These 10 beats trace a path from simple task automation to organizational redesign. What begins as faster replies and cleaner dashboards becomes a new staffing logic. Fewer entry roles, compressed career ladders, and decisions encoded in copilot rules. The change rewards speed and scale over apprenticeship and attention to nuance. When errors, biases, or misconfigurations propagate, they reshape who gets hired, who stays, and who can rebuild. People lose roles, neighborhoods feel it, and companies find that cost savings are also social displacement. This is not inevitable, but it will not reverse on its own. Someone has to audit, retrain, and change incentives before the ledger of jobs is closed. Once that line is crossed, it is hard to pull back.
AI is moving faster than you think. Stay ahead or get replaced. Subscribe.